Hello everyone. It's raining today, so I'm going to try making a slightly spick and savory Doenjang Napa Cabbage soup that's perfect for this cold weather. There's nothing better than a steaming bowl of soup to warm your soul on a chilly day. This traditional Korean soup is made with Napa cabbage, spicy gochugaru, and savory doenjang. It's a perfect blend of spice and comfort that will make you feel cozy from the inside out. I apologize for the delay in uploading this video. I was injured while working at my company, and it took me longer than expected to create the video. I would be grateful if you could understand. Feel free to substitute other mushrooms for Shimeji mushrooms, or add zucchini, tofu, or other ingredients as you like. For the vegetables, simply cut them into bite-sized pieces. For the big green onions, it's best to cut them into pieces about the length of a finger. If you put the beef belly in a large pot and stir-fry it over low heat, the fat will render out. Add minced garlic, red chili powder, and doenjang, and stir-fry over low heat until the chili oil comes out. If it's difficult to control the heat, turn off the gas burner and continue stir-frying. Once the chili oil turns red and fragrant, add water and increase the heat to high. Now add the mushrooms, big green onions, and any other vegetables you have prepared. Please hold off on adding Shimeji mushrooms or Enoki mushrooms for now, as they should be added last. Simmer for about 5 minutes after adding the vegetables. To enhance the flavor, I'll add a spoonful of oyster sauce. If you don't have oyster sauce, try adding a spoonful of chicken stock or a teaspoon of fish sauce. Simply simmer until the Napa cabbage is tender. Taste and adjust the seasoning with pepper and salt to your liking. Finally, add the Shimeji mushrooms and simmer for 5 minutes. In total, it takes about 30 minutes to cook this Napa cabbage soup. Serve this spicy doenjang cabbage soup hot, and enjoy it with a bowl of steamed rice for a truly satisfying meal. It's perfect for those cold, rainy days when you need something to warm you up from the inside out. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.